Shiryo Inu charts have been fairly fascinating since the beginning of 2022, as it has moved to an uptrend direction, climbing from 0.1036 to 0.106 between the 10th and 13th of January 2022. This made investors delighted, but they were curious, as they asked questions like, will this increase in price make me a millionaire? How much do you think Shiryo Inu will be able to hit by the end of 2022? Investors continue to wonder how many Shiryo Inu coins are required to become a millionaire, and why should they? In this video, we will be discussing the uptrends of Shiryo Inu, and I will be answering questions posed by investors. But before we get started, please help me out by liking and subscribing to my channel. Without further ado, let's get right into the discussion. Shiryo Inu has always been a great coin for me. Even when the price was low and less hyped, I still spoke highly of it because I understand what Shiryo Inu is aiming for in the crypto space, and I'm confident it will be achieved through the developers' hard work. But the only problem is that it may take time at the moment on CoinMarketCap. Shiryo Inu continues in its rise, although it is recovering from the last pump, as it is currently trading at 0.1048, down 10 from the previous 24-hour trading price. The market capitalization of the Shiryo Inu is also down at 10, resulting in a market capitalization of $48 million and a 24-hour trading volume of $990 million, which is down by 14%. Hearing all of these downtrends in Shiryo Inu may make you fearful of your Shiryo Inu investment, but I want to assure you that the downtrend is occurring because day traders are selling their Shiryo Inu at the moment to profit from the spike that has been occurring for days now, and I do not blame them for that. Investing long-term, however, appears to be good and profitable, but it takes courage to do so because there are currently a lot of. Please note that I'm not implying that Shiryo Inu is a scam. Rather, I'm using the lazy Shiba coin rug pull as an example of why investors sell after a small price surge. It's understandable. I believe they want to be on the safe side. Let's look at Shiryo Inu's 7-day charts on CoinMarketCap. Looking at the 7-day chart, we can see that Shiryo Inu has been on the rise since 5 days ago, when it went from 0.104 to $0.106 in 3 days. Despite the spike, I still believe Shiryo Inu coin can go even higher in the coming days, going to a new all-time high from here. As you can see, Shiryo Inu still has a long way to go. Sada Mask, if you're wondering how many Shiryo Inu you'll need to become a billionaire in 2022, I'd estimate 4 quadrillion, which costs roughly $200,000-ish US, will put you in a position to become a millionaire off Shiryo Inu currency investment. This is because I believe Shiryo Inu will increase by more than 5x and reach a new all-time high when the game is released. You can comment how many Shiryo Inu coins you have in your crypto portfolio and how long you plan on holding it for. Also note that nobody can manipulate the market, so Shiryo could go higher or lower than the price. That's why I always tell you guys to invest wisely in the market. This concludes this video. If you enjoy Shiryo Inu, please like, subscribe, and comment.